Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important long answer question from the chapter De Moivre's theorem. Let us see question. Solve x minus 1 whole power equals to x power n, where n is a positive integer. We have given an equation to solve. Solving of equation is nothing but finding of x values. Let us write the given equation first. Given equation is x minus 1 whole power n is equals to x power n. So what is the possible simplification? Okay, we can assume x power n as x power n into 1 also. Now by shifting, transposing x power n from RHS to LHS, x minus 1 whole power n into become divided by x power n, that is equals to 1. So now this one power n for both numerator and denominator we have same power, na? So it can be written as x minus 1 by x whole power n. Okay, so formula from the properties of indices, a power m by b power m is equals to a by b whole power m. So a power m by b power m, a by b whole power m. Next, that is equals to 1. Now I want to shift power n from LHS to RHS. It become, now at present we have n by 1, na? It will be reversed, 1 by n it become. So on removal of power, we will have x minus 1 by x equals to, so 1 power n by 1 become 1 by n, power will be reversed. Now we can separate x by x minus 1 by x, that equals to 1 power 1 by n. So 1 can also be written as 1 plus iota into 0. First I would like to write it in the form of x plus iota y, whole power 1 by n as it is. Okay, x by x minus 1 by x equals to 1. 1 can be written as 1 plus iota into 0 whole power 1 by n same. Now cancellation, x gets cancelled. So we are left with 1. 1 minus 1 by x equals to, now let me introduce cos term and here sin term, so that in next step we can use De Moivre's theorem. So 1 can be replaced with cos 0, cos 0 degrees value 1, plus iota into 0 can be replaced with sin 0 degrees, whole power 1 by n. At present it look like cos theta naught plus iota into sin theta naught whole power 1 by n. Let us remind formula once. Cos theta naught plus iota sin theta naught whole power 1 by n. Formula cis of theta naught plus 2k pi by n. These are the formulas you should remember. Address of k, where k is equals to 0, 1, 2, so on up to n minus 1. So let us write 1 minus 1 by x same, that equals to cos theta naught plus iota sin theta naught whole power 1 by n. So on comparison, theta naught is 0, theta naught value is 0, n is n only. So we have to write this formula, cis of theta naught is 0 plus 2k pi same, by n is n only. Address of k 0, 1, 2, so on up to n minus 1. So 1 minus 1 by x as it is, that equals to cis 2k pi by n, cis 2k pi by n. Address of k 0, 1, 2, so on up to n minus 1. Now we need to find x value, na? So we have to separate x terms. For that I would like to transpose this term from RHS to LHS. 1 here only, 1 minus, So this whole term having plus na become minus. Minus cis 2k pi by n, that equals to, now on transposing minus 1 by x from LHS to RHS, it become 1 by x. So we should mention the value of k for each and every step, n minus 1. Now we want to find x. 1 by x is this one. If 1 by x is this one, x become reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 by x is what? X. So reciprocal of this term. This term has no denominator, means it can be assumed as 1. Na? So x become 1 by 1 minus of cis 2k pi by n. And address of k is 0, 1, 2, so on up to n minus 1. So x is equals to 1 by 1 minus cis theta. Write its original form, cis theta. Okay, cos theta plus iota sin theta. Cis theta original form is cos theta plus iota sin theta. So cis 2k pi by n original form become cos 2k pi by n, cos 2k pi by n plus, actually we should write plus na, because of minus, minus into plus become minus iota into sin 2k pi by n. Due to minus, plus become minus, minus into plus minus, we know already. Now address of k 0, 1, 2, so on up to n minus 1. Now x is equals to 1 by, this look like 1 minus cos 2a. If you assume k pi by n as a, if you assume k pi by n as a, it look like 1 minus cos 2a. 1 minus cos 2a, we have direct formula for 1 minus cos 2a. 2 sin square a. 1 minus cos 2a formula, 2 sin square a. So this 1 minus cos 2a become 2 sin square a. What is a here? K pi by n. K pi by n minus iota same. Again, assuming k pi by n as a, it look like sin 2a. If you remind sin 2a formula, sin 2a formula, 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a. All these are the trigonometry formulas, very useful formulas, we should remember. Sin 2a formula, 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a is k pi by n, 2 sin a cos a is k pi by n. Now what is the next possible simplification? Okay, we should write here address of k. Don't forget to write address of k. And so suppose if you see here, on substituting k value 0 from this step onwards, on substituting k value 0, cis 0, this becomes cis 0. Cis 0 value is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Something by 0 become infinite. That's why from here onwards, up to here we can accept k value 0, but from here onwards we should eliminate 0. Okay, so from this step onwards we have to eliminate 0. Okay, so we must remember, because for k is equals to 0, x value you are going to get infinite, undefined. So that's why here you should write, since k not equals to 0, you have to cut 0 from k values. So from here onwards, up to here we can allow 0 for k, no problem, because it's in numerator position. But when it comes to denominator position, something by 0 become infinite due to k is equals to 0. That's why better not to allow k value 0 from here onwards. Okay, so k value from 1 to so on up to n minus 1.